Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on JASMY. As in my earlier video that I shared few hours ago with you, and this was a video by the way, I was showing you that recently the price of JASMY has broken out the quite long-term down channel. You can see that since after 9th of December 2024, it was moving inside this channel. Recently we broke out the resistance and now the price line is about to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. At the same time, it is also retesting this very long-term resistance on that start from 1.2 cents and goes to 1.5 cents. And after this breakout, it is testing this resistance on as a support zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a quite long-term resistance line. And on the 7 days time frame chart, we are still breaking it out. However, on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have completely broken out this resistance line. By the way, previously, this resistance line has been working as a very, very strong support zone here previously for several months, and here as a resistance and here as a support zone as well. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well that is happened here on the 7 days time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for API 3, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of March 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of JASMY. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, since after 9th of December 2024, it was moving inside this long down channel. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, rejection, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and finally the price and broke out the resistance along with this resistance. The channel, the price and has also broken out this very long-term resistance zone as well. That was starting from 1.2 cents and goes to 1.5 cents. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of Feb 2024 up till here, it has been working as a strong support zone. Before that, it was working as a resistance zone here and support zone here back in the month of Feb 2022 as well. Therefore, now it is again working as a resistance. On the 7 days time frame chart, we are still trying to break it out. However, on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have broken out along with the resistance of the channel, and now the price is retesting this resistance on as support zone. And at the same time, the pricing is also very close to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. Now here we also have another point of rejection after the breakout. You can see that the pricing was rejected by 1.75 cents. And this is the second day it is not able to break it out. If you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several hours, it had been trying to break it out, but could not break out so far. And along with that, we also have another very long-term resistance, slightly higher than this point of rejection that was here at 1.92 cents. Therefore, this can be a complete resistance zone. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone from 1.75 cents to 1.92 cents has been previously working as a support line here for 1 and 2 weeks, and for a few weeks it has been working as support line here and support line here. Therefore, now after this breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. By the way, after this breakout, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 5 cents. And by the way, from 5 to 6.1 cents, we already have a very long-term resistance, complete resistance zone that has been previously working as a resistance zone here, and recently after this huge rally, the price line was rejected by this resistance zone here in the month of December 2024 as well. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.